ONCO stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. With Onconetix, I do see a great 30% increase in price. Ultimately, it's pumped up quite hard, so it's not your typical and regular day with Onconetix. I'm the only person in this space, by the way, that has done 40,000 videos and actually has proof of everything, so I've documented it. And unironically, just like still not the most bullish thing ever. Okay, so how this looks like is I'm just gonna mark down the lows, and let's come here. If there is some sort of double break, I'm also looking to take it down, but like randomly selling it's what I'm not going to be doing. Okay, so this is what divides us from freaking people that they don't know what they're doing. We confirm things, we make sure. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.